Hi, in this quick video I'm going to show you how I use this really soft white polymer clay to make all my figurines. So this is original SCULPEY white, and you can see it's really soft, so it's ever so easy to condition it. And what I'm going to do is add my own colour to the clay, and then I'm going to add some firming powder to make it firm enough so that I can make a little pastel colour dragon. So the original SCULPEY white, you get a massive box of this stuff. There's 794 grams, which is about 28 ounces. So I get mine from Amazon. I'm in the UK and I only pay £13 for 28 ounces. And what I'll do is just colour it and firm it myself. So all the coloured clay you can see here, we all started off as white, soft, and now it's all coloured and firm. So because I want pastel colours, I'm just using a clay that I've coloured already using chalk pastel powder. So the bright yellow, pink and blue, they were coloured using soft chalk pastels that I've made into a really fine dusty powder, and I've mixed that in. But you can use any coloured clay, you know, to colour the white clay and then just firm it once it's coloured, and you can achieve some really nice vibrant bright colours and some really dark intense colours as well. So in less than 2 minutes this is all ready to be firmed. So I'm going to grab a bag of POLYFIRM powder, so it's a polymer clay firming powder, and I'm just going to add light dustings of the powder and mix it in. And normally I would do this inside a bag to save on mess, but because I want you to see what's going on, I'm going to make a mess. So just a light dusting, I'm going to mix that in, and it does mix in really fast. It's not difficult to do. But if I was doing a big chunk of clay, then I'd use a rolling pin just to mix in the powder. So that's the first dusting already mixed in. And I do wear gloves, a mask and protect my eyes when I'm working with powder products. So this is the second light dusting going in now, and you can probably see as I'm mixing it that it's getting firmer already. So I've never had to use more than 3 dustings of powder, even on large chunks of clay. Usually between 2 and 3 I find is plenty. And if you would like to see lots of other colouring and firming videos and making figurines, all the information is available on the Polymer Clay Therapy channel, and you can learn more about the POLYFIRM powder that I'm using to firm the clay. So this is the final dusting of powder to go in it, so I'm going to mix that in, and I think it's probably about 3 minutes it's taken me to get this piece of clay ready. So I mean, to have a piece of clay that's conditioned, coloured and firm and ready in like 3 minutes is, for me, is really good, because I used to really struggle conditioning firmer polymer clays, and I think that's the good thing about this for people who are really struggling conditioning clays, and they're spending so much time trying to get them into a, you know, nice condition to work with. This is really quick and easy. It's not an alternative to like a professional polymer clay. It's more for people who have given up, like I had, because I was getting so stressed out trying to condition clays that I couldn't do it anymore. So I've made a start on the pink, the bright pink. I've added a piece of that to the white clay, and I've mixed the colour in, and I'm going to speed this all up because it's exactly the same process. So there's the soft white clay with a big bit of bright pink mixed into it. It's got a nice pastel pink, and I'm going to add my dustings of powder, mix it all in until it's all nice and firm. And I also did another chunk of the light mint greeny blue colour, because I didn't think I was going to have enough. So that's all my clays all mixed up. Took me probably 12 minutes to get all of that clay conditioned, coloured, firm and ready to use. And once I've made my dragon, I'll bring her back so you can have a good look at the sort of thing I make with the clay that I firm. So here she is, my little multicoloured pastel dragon. I wanted to use all the colours. You just saw me mixing and firming, and I didn't record making it. I think she turned out really nice, and the nice thing about this clay is you don't get fingerprints and dirt all over it. So you can see she's really flawless. And I did a skinner blend for the body, so I used the yellow, purple and the green. So you can still do skinner blends even with the powder added, and hopefully you can see just how smooth and clean she is. And I used the pink clay for a little head, and even though I've been using this clay for years now, I still can't get over how easy it is to work with. And if you would like me to do a video making a similar dragon, please just let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon on the Polymer Clay Therapy channel. So bye for now. Bye.